What it do, my guys? Look at this beautiful, lovely day in Georgia. Today we'll be installing some carbon fiber on the Jeeps. Let's get it. Let's go. Look how beautiful this thing. Now let me show you some cinematic rolls. Junky looking one because I am going to be upgrading to the carbon fiber, and let me just teach you how to do it real quick. It should be easy. What you want to remove is that 10 millimeter right there, and you will have one on the other side. So let's go ahead and get it real quick. Always want to do when you're going to be changing anything inside, like your steering wheel or radio and stuff, just disconnect your battery because you don't want nothing to blow up on you. All right, so you're gonna want to disconnect these three, and there's actually one more somewhere right here. Let me see if I can try to get it with my hand. And there you go. Take these four out, and then you're gonna want a 13 millimeter on this one to take this steering wheel out. So let's go. All right, so what you want to do is, I went to Harbor Freight to go grab this, but it actually didn't work, so I just basically beat the hell out of it. I just hit it from the back. Let me see if I can try to put it back. So like this, and I just banged it from up here and banged it from the bottom, and it came out. Now let's switch everything over to the carbon steering wheel. After that, you're gonna want to go ahead and take out this T10. That's right here, and I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and take these out real quick. So once you're done, you take off the back part from right there, put it here. You see nothing's really bolted on, it's just here. Then I gotta try to transfer everything from here to right here. It should be easy. These little small ones, and take it out, and then just transfer it right over here. So let me go ahead and get that done. So you want to go ahead and transfer it over to your carbon fiber one. See, it's pretty easy. It's the same 3 bolts on each end. So it'll look kind of like this. I just got to run the wires. I'm gonna try to push them down, like to run down here, and just connect everything just like how you had it. Let's go. And that's how this beautiful thing looks with everything put on. Everything is plug and play. All the bolts are right there. The bolts are in the back. Fitment on it is pretty good. Yeah, so now let's go ahead and get this onto the car. Man, look at that, dude. That looks so sexy. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, now let's go ahead and get everything right back on. And once you're officially done, this is how it looks. Let's go. So that's how you do it. Once you're done, just put your battery right back on, and yeah, hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. I still got another carbon fiber steering wheel to do, and I got another project, so yeah, stay tuned for that one.